Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make carrots shake. First, gather your fresh carrots, about 1 pound, and ensure they are washed and peeled. You'll also need a resealable bag or a container with a tight-fitting lid. This method is perfect for adding a burst of flavor quickly and efficiently, transforming your ordinary carrots into something special. Let's get started with our first technique. To create flavorful shaken carrots, start by cutting about 1 pound of carrots into uniform 2-inch pieces. In a large, resealable bag, combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with your chosen spices, like paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Add the carrot pieces, seal the bag tightly, and shake vigorously for about 30 seconds. This ensures every piece is beautifully coated and ready for roasting or steaming. For a refreshing carrot shake drink, begin by juicing 3 large carrots to get approximately 1 cup of fresh juice. Pour this into a shaker bottle. Add 1/2 cup of your preferred milk, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup, and a few ice cubes. Secure the lid and shake the mixture for about 15 seconds until it's well combined and delightfully frothy. It's a vibrant and healthy treat. Now for some creative fun. Present your seasoned carrots by arranging them artfully on a platter, perhaps in a spiral or fan shape. For the carrot shake, serve it in a tall glass with a fun straw and a garnish like a mint sprig. You can also involve children by letting them shake the seasoning bag, making meal prep an interactive game. Don't forget to experiment with various spice combinations to find your perfect carrot shake flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.